Hello everybody. Got a quick little repair that I think has its root in bad engineering. Anyway, this plate right here goes right to there. It's tough to do. Okay. There you go. See that? How that chintzy little hinge, they got gobs of weld, and it's just tiny little steel right there, and broke off. So I'm gonna try and fix that. What I was thinking of doing was drilling some holes in here and getting some plug weld going, because if you just weld this hinge on this very edge here, the whole opening system is working against you, and welds are typically horribly weak. So as I always do with this stuff is I disconnect the battery cable and get it off the truck, but I don't feel like cooking the electronics in here. But I'm gonna grind those welds off and clean this up, then I'll bring you back. Okay, there it is, cleaned up. I cleaned this up for those butt welds. You can hear Luke out there sawing wood. He's doing firewood and I'm fixing his chipper. It's a perfect world. And I'll tell you, the way things are going in this world, you better be ready to fix your own stuff, because they might not be making new stuff anymore. Anyway. Okay, I'm over here at the vise. I just drilled these 4 holes. Notice how I lined them up with the piece of the hinge that doesn't, if I splatter some, it's not going to, if I put them on here and I splattered to there, it wouldn't operate. But I also realized that same poor welding design was over this side, so I drilled through that flange there, and I'm gonna butt weld some of them while I'm here. Hopefully that will be good to go then. Okay, so they worked out pretty good. One thing I learned there, even at very, very low heat, this hinge just kind of evaporated or melted away, so I got to keep the heat real low, and they got a good deal on this hinge and we're paying for it. Okay, so now I'm starting to see the big picture. This hinge was destined to fail the whole time. The only part of this hinge, come on focus, come on. The only part of this hinge that actually touched the chute was the very tip. Come on, Morbark. You can do better than that. Junk alert. Wow. Can you see how far that hinge is away from the actual... I gotta clean that up a little bit, but my plug weld holes are 1/8 of an inch away from the chute. So I might just come in this way and pop a few beads in there. Really poor design. Okay, all the welding's done. Ended up putting those 4 kind of stiffeners back there. Of course, there's a big gap there, but it ends up working well. I would never have dreamed of flap disc in this, but I did, and I'll paint it up. Alright, well there's the finished product. Limited satisfaction, I guess I'd call it. It's better than it was, but still the next guy will think it's not that good, but it is. But what a beautiful day out here. Took a couple hours, or not even a couple hours. I am so proud of those boys right there. 3 brothers banging away every single day. Growing. This is one of their trucks. They've got a bucket truck and I don't know, half a dozen pickup trucks and 550s and stuff like that, but they are really getting it done. Anyway, I will see you next time.